Good afternoon. Welcome to the Daily Stock Market Update. The DSEX returned to the positive territory today after remaining in the red zone for 4 consecutive trading days, gaining 21.22 points or 0.32% and settling at 6,662 points. Market turnover was BDT 6.44 billion, which is an increase of 24.81% compared to the previous trading day. Square, Renata, Beximco Pharmaceuticals and Reckitt Benckiser from the pharmaceutical sector, United Power, Shaji Bazar Power, Saif Powertech and Titash Gas from the fuel and power sector, and IPDC Finance, ICB from the NBFI sector mainly pulled the market up today. In terms of sector-wise return, the life insurance sector registered the highest gain of 1.00%, while the NBFI sector posted the second highest gain of 0.88%. On the other hand, the cement sector registered the highest loss of 0.78%. 3 food and allied companies, 3 fuel and power companies, and 3 textile companies were among the top 20 gainers today. Mekana Pet Industries, JMI Hospital Requisite and Imam Button Industries registered the highest gain, while Pubali Bank, GBB Power and Bank Asia were the top losers. Recent market debutant JMI Hospital Requisite ended the trading session in the top gainers list today as well, despite news reports that the stock price has been continuously increasing due to an irrational hype among investors. Imam Button's share price also kept on soaring today, even though one of the leading English dailies reported that a rumor regarding the resumption of the company's production is mainly responsible for the stock's recent price manipulation. Investors exerted selling pressure on the Pubali Bank's stock as the company posted a decline in its net operating cash flow per share compared to the previous year, even though it's registered growth in its earnings. There was no disclosed price-sensitive information for the remaining stocks. The trading volume of Prabhat Insurance, IPDC Finance and Dulamia Cotton Spinning increased significantly today compared to the average trading volume of the last 3 months. There was no publicly disclosed fundamental reason for the volume increase of the remaining stocks. Today's top 2 news. In order to mitigate the country's current gas crisis, the government has raised liquefied natural gas imports from the spot market. Recently, the country has been facing a huge gas crisis due to a sudden gas supply shortage in the Bibiana gas field. However, the government will import 3 liquefied natural gas cargoes instead of 2, which will be delivered in April at USD 35 per metric million British thermal unit. In addition, Qatar Gas, one of the term contract suppliers, is also going to supply more by rescheduling its delivery plan. Increased imports from these 2 sources will help boost liquefied natural gas regasification to 850 million cubic feet per day. The central bank has cautioned banks that unrealized interest gain coming from rescheduled loans should not be considered as banks' income. Many banks have recently been showing unrealized gain of rescheduled loans in their income portion of the balance sheet, which has artificially inflated banks' income and also violated banking regulations. However, banks are allowed to consider rescheduled loans interest as income only when borrowers have paid installments. That's all for today. We will be back again tomorrow with more updates on Dhaka Stock Exchange. Follow LR Global on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.